Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome. My name is Aiden. Oh, I'm sitting on my hair. There we go. I'm so happy that you're here. Today I have my Ipsy and Macy's unboxings. Yeah, I realize they're very late. So I film on the weekends, right? And I did add-ons for Ipsy. So my bag didn't come until, I want to say like it might have been going to be delivered on the 23rd, but I had my mail held and I didn't get it till the 25th, and then that was a Monday. So yeah, you're getting it now. I don't think it came over the weekend. It could have. But anyway, I was out of town. I was at a fun pop culture convention and comic convention. If you want to see the photos, I have them on Instagram. I need to put up a couple more. We'll see. Like, I kind of hit the wall in terms of extroversion on Friday. Like I had been doing just too much between the convention and then teaching and trying to post on social media and talking to fans, other fans, and then I was like crashed hard. So I have a whole bunch of people I need to respond to because I was just like, no more human interactions. Anyway, it's Sunday, it's October already, and I'm now just getting my Septembers. And I did add-ons with Ipsy, so that's why they're so late. Let me show you the add-ons first though, because I think these might be the best add-ons ever. First up, I picked up Commodity Gold. This is the expressive version. This is just the 1 ounce, so it's not like a gigantic bottle or anything like that. But still, Commodity is fairly pricey, and I got this for $18. This is one of the add-ons for $18. I did post on it on my Instagram stories. If you follow me, check my story. Like right now, it's things that resonate with me or deals that I occasionally find. This is nice. It kind of has like a vanilla-y caramel kind of light. It's like a very light gourmand, not a lot of, it doesn't feel like overly sweet, if that makes sense. Does it have any notes on it? No, it doesn't. I remember it being kind of a gourmand, so that's why I decided to pick it up. This bottle is so darling though. It is so tiny. Just one little ounce. The box is like so much bigger. Oh my gosh, crazy bigger. The other add-on I got was a set of 2 items for $25, and I was blown away with what they were including for $25. So we got these 2 right here. First up is a Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Heat. I didn't realize it was the heat version. So what I probably will do, since this is a like plumping gloss, I don't really enjoy that sensation on my lips. I think I'm going to pass this along. I love her original formula of lip glosses. So I think I should have a friend who would enjoy this, because this is Lemon Lava. It's a great, universal kind of just topper shade. I think they'll really enjoy it. But I was really excited about this as well. I was excited with that one until I realized it was the heat version. This is a Pat McGrath holiday palette. This is the Divine Blush and Glow Cheek Palette in Nude Venus. I think she did a darker one and a lighter one last year. Look at this. Look at this. You have 4 beautiful blushes and a highlighter. I am absolutely thrilled to have gotten this. Even if I hadn't gotten the gloss, $25, but the gloss is normally like $20, so I hate to even like touch the blushes and mess them up, but we're going to. And then we'll do the highlight as well. Oh my gosh, look at that highlight. Wow. So that's what they look like with one swatch. They have some great color payoff. Let's see how they look. We're gonna blend them out just a little bit with the same, make sure you have the same finger for each one of them, so that one blush might be a little too much for my fair skin. Yeah, oh my gosh. So this one's maybe a little bit much, but I think the other 3 and that highlighter are going to be fabulous. I am very excited and happy to have picked this up. I have found a couple things here and there from Pat McGrath this past year, like on major sale, and it makes me so happy because I do love her packaging. I think she has nice products, but I'm not willing to pay her full price retail. It's too much. Too rich for my blood. All right, on to the bag. This is the month's bag. Has the little tassel on it. I've heard some people have had issues with it, so I'm going to be careful. It's a cute bag. Not my favorite. I would prefer something a little sturdier in terms of a pull tab because those are, you know, get used a lot. I have a lovely Worthless thing here. Let me know if you got this bag. I was so tempted to get this mystery bag. I thought it was so cute. I love like the little wrestling masks on it and the cowboy boots. I just thought it was cute. So let me know. Let me know if you got it, if it was good, or if you know of somebody who got it that I can go watch their unboxing of it. I got a Prep and Prime, Prep and Protect Super Comb. Leave-on conditioner. There we go. So, style is normal. I will definitely use that. Always will use a conditioner, leave-in conditioner. Those are always useful for me. Then we have this guy from, I have no idea. What is this? Perla. Oh, Rihanna Rebeldi. On Your Face finishing powder. I could not figure out what those letters were. So just like a setting powder, I guess. I'm not going to swatch it because it's kind of boring. Okay. I didn't really need that, but I will take it. I'll probably use it eventually. This is what I think I chose. This is from Hey Honey. I really like Hey Honey, so that's why I got it. This is the Show Your Glow Colloidal Honey and Gold. Colloidal Gold and Honey Beauty Mask. There we go. And I do like Hey Honey. The things that I've gotten from Hey Honey have been fairly good. So I thought, why not? Then we have this guy, which is from Ren. This is the Atlantic Kelp and Magnesium Anti-Fatigue Body Wash. I don't think I've ever gotten a body wash from Ipsy before. It's fine. I wonder what it smells like. So, you can't take off the lid. Kind of smells like, not quite like tea tree oil, but you know that kind of scent. Sage. Ooh, sage and rosemary. That's probably what I'm smelling. Cypress. Not really my speed, but Then we have from Tarte, this is a Amazonian Clay 16-hour full coverage foundation in the shade 14N Ivory. Wonder what this will look like on my skin. That's what it looks like. Ooh, it's kind of moussey. I feel like it's kind of just sitting on top of my skin. Maybe with a beauty blender it would work better. I'm not loving that. I don't know if you can see much difference other than just like tone, but we'll try that foundation once and then decide, but not loving it. Okay, so let's review. Let's see how we think, if we think this was worth $15, because let's be honest, it's $15 plus tax. It's not $13 plus $1.99 handling fee. No, it's $15. So mask, didn't need a mask, but was kind of the best of the choices of the things that were there. So we'll eventually use that. Body wash, not super exciting, but something I will actually use, I guess, eventually. Leave-in conditioner, always kind of excited to try something new. This is probably my favorite thing from the bag, which is kind of sad. And then I did get 2 makeup products, but pretty, I don't know, not exactly exciting ones. So I have the Amazonian Clay Foundation, which every Tarte foundation I've tried, I do not like. I like the Shape Tape, but concealer, but I haven't liked any of the foundations. And then just, you know, basic setting powder. I'm way more excited about the add-ons. Those I think were fantastic. This 2.5 stars, like 50-50. It's not super exciting. Maybe I'll give it 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5. Yeah. Next up we have Macy's. They now do this little thing here where it's just a thing, and then it says 90s supermodel vibes, and then you have 10 off of 40, which is not too bad of a coupon, and this expires on 10/27. They are making these expire, I feel like, sooner. I had 2 of them that expired like within days of each other in September. I was very shocked. Like, one was like 9/22 and one was 9/25, and I was like, wait, what? Okay, interesting. But I definitely will use the 10 off of 40. especially online. Then we have this guy that came separate. This is a hair claw, kind of an interesting shape. I'm not going to take it out of the plastic. This is a little small for what my mom has been wearing hair claws since the 90s. This is a little small for the amount of hair she has. So I think I will put that in a like pass along pile. This is not something I will use. Maybe I'll stick it in for Patricia. Then let's unwrap all of this. What do we have? What do we have? Dump it in my lap. Okay, first up we have Carolina Herrera, Good Girl. This is a nice scent. I do own it. For me though, it's the shoe. Like I love that shoe bottle so much. The original is maybe my least favorite of all of them, which is kind of funny. So we have in here, we have almond, tuberose and jasmine, tonka bean, and cocoa. It's good. I already own it, so it's not super exciting. Then we have a Angel Elixir. Oh, okay. I have been wanting to give this a wear test, so this one I actually am excited about. This is from Mugler. This is like super expensive. I found though that Mugler tends to do like major sales every once in a while, and you can get like 40% off, which is what I'm kind of waiting for on this one. It's pretty enough, but it's not my favorite. So this is Carnal Vanilla. Oh, Woody Big Bang with a caramel vanilla infusion blended with a spicy floral bouquet. It's Woody Floral Gourmand. Okay. So this one I definitely will use because this is a sample of something that I've actually wanted to give it a chance to wear around. And then I'm looking down here and I have these two things that match together. So we have a shampoo and conditioner from Fekkai. This is the Full Blown Volume Conditioner and Shampoo. I think it's just, yep. So let's give it a sniff. I always love shampoo and conditioner samples. I don't really get much of a scent from these at all. So Then next up we have Lights Camera Lashes from Tarte. This is a fairly, I used to love this mascara and then I had a couple and I'm like, I don't know if I don't like it because it's dried out or what. So that's what it looks like. It has this crazy packaging on it. It's not the, I don't really love the packaging on it. I know it's unusual, but it's kind of awkward when you're trying to do stuff with it. So yeah, not my favorite. Then we have I used to really love this mascara, so I'm going to give it a try and see how I feel about it. Then we have a Brow Wiz from ABH. This is in soft brown. So I think I don't do stuff with my brows, so I will pass that one along as well. And then the last thing in here is a Juicy Tube from Lancome. This is in Marshmallow Electro. I was not a big fan. I've tried the Juicy Tubes in the past. I don't love this formula. I'm very picky about my lip glosses. I don't wear a lot of lip glosses as it is, and the ones I do, like they're not sticky. They're kind of more mellow. I like Bath and Body Works flavored ones, and the Fenty ones, those are kind of like my favorites. Other than that, lip glosses are hit and miss. So this month, what do I think about this one? Let's recap. 1 for 1 on the perfumes, keeping one, passing one along because I already own it. Then we have shampoo and conditioner. These are good. The lip gloss, passing the lip gloss along, passing the brow gel along, and then I don't know. Should I try this one? I know I have a couple that I've had for a little bit. I guess I will keep it and try it just because I want to see what a more recent formula is, I guess. Once again, I'd say 3 out of 5. Not super exciting, but a couple things in here that I definitely will use and get, I don't know if I'll enjoy them, but I'll get use out of them. And then some that are just things that I'm not super excited about and things I'm going to be passing along. Not the best bags, not the worst bags. There have definitely been worse ones in the past. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you get Ipsy. Let me know if you get Macy's. What your thoughts and opinions are on them. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.